Hi there, and welcome to Kaplan Interpreting Services. We're glad you found us. Did you know that Kaplan offers translation services in over 200 languages, and 98% of our requests are filled the same day you make them? That's how fast and reliable we are. Here's how you can easily request our translation services. On our website, go to the Our Services menu and click Translation. To make a translation request, simply email us your document or documents along with any important details like the subject matter, your preferred deadline, and whether or not you would like it notarized. The more information you give us, the quicker we can match you with the right linguist. If you'd rather not email the documents right away, you can send us an email with your phone number and we'll call you to go over the details. Our office hours are from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. But if you need to reach us after hours, just send us an email and we'll respond as soon as we're back in the office. Requesting our services is a very simple process. We're excited to help you get accurate, high-quality translations. On time, every time. You do what you do best. Kaplan Interpreting Services will interpret the rest.